So you're thinking about moving to Urbandale, Iowa. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at 3 different houses right around $700,000. So you can see what $700,000 will buy for you right here in the Urbandale area. You're going to want to stick around. There's one house that's got a walkout in an interesting spot. It's an interesting design. You're going to want to see that. My name is Andre. I'm with the Des Moines, Iowa real estate team. And we get calls from people like you every day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Urbandale area or Des Moines. It is just a beautiful weather day here in Urbandale. It's probably 50 degrees. The sun is shining brightly. It's the middle of winter time, but we get days like this every once in a while. It's a nice warm day. You can see the lake is still frozen. It's 50 degrees. It's beautiful. So this one is in a new construction area. We're about 20 minutes from downtown. You're 10 minutes from the grocery stores. And what I like about this neighborhood is they left some trees. It's a new construction neighborhood, but they left some trees in the areas, so it looks really nice. This home that I'm going to show you is $684,900. It's got 1,932 square feet above grade, and then another 1,500 square foot of finished basement. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 baths. It's a great home in a great location. So let's go take a look at it right now. All right, so this one has crown molding everywhere. Lots of great windows here in the living room. You got the stone fireplace that matches the stone right under here on the island. Beautiful LVP floors. You got the tray ceiling with the accents and that really big fan that I like so much. The kitchen over here with a nice big island and a 5-burner gas stove and a really big dining area right here. Take a look at that. Let's go take a look at the deck. Nice covered deck and a nice view. So let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom has great windows. Take a look at the accented tray ceiling right up there with all the crown molding. Very nice. Love all the windows in here. Look at the tile work in this bathroom. Let's see. I could show you on in the walk-in shower. Nice soaker tub and the tile floors. Quite nice. Double vanity. And here is the walk-in closet. They have some really nice shelves in here. Take a look. And let's go back through the kitchen. And I want to show you the pantry. The pantry is quite nice. And it also has a little trap door you put your groceries in from the garage. That's quite nice. I'll go show you the entryway from the garage. It's right here by the front door, this little door here. And then you walk in, they've got the drop zone and you got your laundry room right here. And then the 3-car garage with the little trap door right there. So that's quite nice. Go take a look at some of the guest bedrooms right here. Got 2 guest bedrooms. This one would be really nice for an office kind of light. A lot of nice light coming through, beautiful windows, and bathroom with a double vanity. Here's the other guest bedroom. Let's go take a look downstairs. Really nice wide staircase on the way down. And then you walk in to basically another living room down here. Really, really nice with the nice windows, a lot of crown molding. You got the stone fireplace down here too. And you got a really nice bar. You can put a full-size refrigerator right there and another little dining area right here. You can walk out from this basement to another deck. Maybe you want to barbecue down here. Also, let's go take a look. There are 2 more bedrooms back here, and they are quite nice, you know, about the same as the ones upstairs. There's this one. I love all the closet doors in this house. Don't have those accordion doors. I just don't like those. Anyway, this is another nice bathroom with a double vanity. All right, this house is in the same area, so you're really 5 minutes away from the elementary schools and 10 minutes away from just about anything you want, groceries and restaurants, stuff like that. This is a beautiful neighborhood. It's got a lot of new construction in the neighborhood, but still, there's plenty of large trees in the area. There's in the entry to this neighborhood, there's actually a disc golf course. It's kind of in the wide open, but still, it's a nice disc golf course right in your neighborhood. So this house is $667,900. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's got 1,689 square feet above grade, and then another 1,310 in the finished basement. Great house. We're gonna go take a look at it right now. All right, so this is a beautiful entryway into this house. You got the accents on the ceiling with the tray ceiling right there to match the accents in the vaulted, beautiful living room ceiling. Really, really nice. Really well-designed house. I love the big windows right here, big plate glass windows, bringing lots of light into this beautiful living room. Real wood floors. You got a gas stove over there in the kitchen. Plenty of room for your dining room table. And look at the beautiful pantry. Let's go take a look at the pantry. Really nice shelving in the pantry. Really, really nice. And then you got a nice deck out here. Very nice. And you can this way see all the houses, but this way kind of see down in the valley and see those beautiful trees over there. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom right here. Very, very nice. You've got tray ceiling with an accent on the ceiling. That's a king-size bed sitting there, so you got plenty of room in this bedroom. Even enough room for a sitting area. I really like the bathroom. It's a nice no entry walk-in tile shower, and I really like this. The closet has no door, so it makes everything feel very open right here. Quite nice. Let's go show you right over here. This is a guest room with a really nice bathroom right here, and here is a guest bedroom. Let's go take a look downstairs. Walked into a really big open area right here. All kind of things you could do with this area. There's a little bar right here and room for a full-size refrigerator. You can walk out here to the walkout basement right here, walk out onto the porch. We've got nice, really thick, plush carpet down here. Very soft. Here's a huge bedroom for a guest bedroom with a nice walk-in closet. And another really nice bathroom to share down here. Here's another guest bedroom. Really nice big guest bedrooms. Great house. I really like this house. Beautiful upstairs living room. Really great. So if you're thinking about moving to this area, give me a call. I'd love to help. My contact information is going to be in the description. Be happy to help you make a smooth move to Urbandale or anywhere in the Des Moines area. All right, we're here at this neighborhood. It's a great area. You're probably 5 minutes from several different elementary schools. You're 10 minutes from the grocery stores and the restaurants and everything that this area has to offer. So it's a great location. You're easily accessed to 141 and I-35 and I-80. So it could make your commute real easy in this area. It's a great area. This house here is $725,000. It's got 1,915 square feet on above grade, and then another 1,575 in the finished basement. It's 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. It's a beautiful home. Let's go take a look. All right, so you walk into this house and you're really struck by the view in the living room, and also the really high ceiling. Check out the view, and those ceilings must be about, I don't know, 25 feet high, vaulted ceiling with that. You see that really big fan up there? I love those. Anyway, this is a very interesting design. You get the shelves on both sides of the fireplace right there, and a very interesting island, and the cabinets with the backsplash behind the sink over there. Really nice. You got a nice big dining room right here, and let's go take a look at the primary bedroom right behind here. First, let's take a look a little bit more. This pantry has got a little trap door to put your groceries in from the garage. I really like that. That seems so convenient. I've never had one, but here is the primary bedroom. Plenty of room, and I really like the colors on the trim on these windows. Also, this big window right here lets in all kind of light. Very nice. You get the double vanity in here, and a nice tile shower, the water closet, and the primary walk-in closet, which is attached to the laundry room, which I really like. Right here is the laundry room. Then now we're back right here in the kitchen. I like all the built-in shelves. Nice touch in here. Let's go take a look at the deck. It's got a covered deck. It's actually partially covered, which I like. You know, great view right here. Take a look at the view, and then you got a view of the lake right over there. Even the view of the houses back that way is really nice. Very nice. This is such an interesting design on this house. I didn't really talk about the entryway. Let's talk about the entryway a little bit. You got a little drop zone right here to hang your jackets, and a half bath. Right, you walk in and then there's a half bath right there. This, to me, well, let's go look at the 2 guest bedrooms. Well, it is upstairs, but it's like, you know, just about 10 steps to get upstairs. Nice big bedroom right here. Like, you know, regular closet doors right there. Shared bathroom right here. This is a nice bathroom too. It's got double vanities, but one on each side, which I really like. And then this bedroom, these windows, they really make these bedrooms, I don't know, they're just nice. I like it. Nice design. So now we're gonna head downstairs. You go kind of halfway downstairs and you get this nice room. I think this is for working out. There's no closet in here, so it's not a bedroom. Interesting windows again. An interesting little fan right there. And then you got this little kitchen or bar area right here with kind of a walkout basement, but it's not the basement because you're halfway down. Really nice walkout to the porch right here. And then there's the other porch that we were just on. So you got 2 areas of porches or decks. Not sure what to call it. This is a porch and that's a deck. They've got a floor laid out right over here. This is concrete right now, but I think they're gonna maybe put the floor that matches the floor in the living room, which is a nice wood floor. All right, let's go take a look in the basement. There's another 2 bedrooms down here, and a nice big room. It's a daylight basement down here. You got just that one window right here, and lets in a little bit of light, but the bright lights makes it plenty light down here, and there's 9-foot ceilings. Here is the bedroom here, and then the shared bathroom and another bedroom here. Really interesting house. I really like that area that is halfway down to the basement where you got a little porch outside and a bar room right here. This is just really nice. So there you have it. We looked at 3 really nice houses right here in the Urbandale area that you can get for around $700,000. Some beautiful houses, lots of unique and different finishes in these houses. So look, if you're thinking about moving to this area, give me a call. I'd love to help you, whether you move in 9 days or 9 months. I can help you make a smooth move to the Urbandale area, or maybe anywhere in the Des Moines area.